Bitcoin's now above $30,000 again. Are we going to see a bullish run from here? Let me explain what I see from the market. Okay, this is the Bitcoin weekly chart. Yes, we did have like a surprise bullish run. I sold off all mine around 29K. Am I going to chase in this area? I don't really think so, you know, because 30,000, like I said, it could be a resistance. If we break through, stay above, maybe a short term I'll trade it to around 40K. But from 40K area, if it makes a double top, I ultimately think this is going to roll over back anyway. So this is what I see from Bitcoin. But let's have a quick look on Ethereum. Ethereum again having a bullish move from last week. So a low test weekly bar last week, and now seems to be continuing on this weekly trend. However, you can see the box area there around the 2,100. Can we break through? If we can't, maybe we're still going to roll over to around the 13,000. At these current market conditions, I don't think it's wise to chase. You know, I do see its bullish run from 2024, so maybe end of 2023. I'll be starting to buy around the 1,300 on Ethereum, under 20K on Bitcoin. That's my plan. So I have not changed. Short term, I'm still bearish. I wouldn't change my plan because of 1 week bullish move. Do you guys agree with me? If not, let me know in the comment below. Otherwise, see you guys next week for the crypto update. Thanks so much for watching.